It's Logan here from Napier Electric Company. Here we are at my place where we've just recently installed the 4-camera system. What do I appreciate most about this system? I think it is the quality of the fit and finish install. Cameras that we use are very high quality, mounted professionally, not just stick on.
Stick-up cam is connected.
Horrible experience as I actually have with this camera right here.
There is no batteries to change as it is a fully 24/7 wired-in system. There is no monthly subscription. As you can see, they're securely mounted, not overly evasive, made of high quality materials. They also have quite a wide lens on them, so they capture a wide view. For me, camera placement was really important as we've got a relatively sized section to keep an eye on. We thought having one to overlook the yard, was one looking back at our shed and where the vehicle usually parks. So we've got one by the front door, that covers anyone coming into the property via the main entrance. Part of the process here at NEC is helping you find the best place for your cameras.
Blow up the spot, then we run it. Ready or not, here we coming.
As you can see, we've migrated inside now where you can get a full view of the 4 cameras operating. As you can see, they've got crystal clear quality, really wide angle shots, and we position them carefully around every corner of the house so you can't miss the action. The thing that separates our product from most other competitors is the fact that we're a 24/7 wired-in system as opposed to the Wi-Fi systems that rely on batteries. So even if your Wi-Fi drops out, you're still covered. It's still recording, it's still getting stored in your top box that we've got hidden away. The DVR that comes with this kit has 2 terabytes worth of storage. So whether you're running internet or not, or if you've had a loss of internet, it's still recording and you've still got plenty of space to capture all your action. More or less what you see here is what you'll see on the app on your phone. You have guided selection to all 4 cameras. You can either see them all 4 at once or one at a time and pinch zoom to check on locations of interest. We actually have another video of this if you check in the description. This camera system gives me peace of mind 24/7 hours of the day, knowing that every angle of the house is covered. So if you're interested in a set of these cameras, please feel free to get in touch. We'd love to come out and give you a quote. Thank you very much for watching.